How to sign up for Weverse account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application Weverse. Make sure you have already installed the application. Once you're in this page, tap on Join or Login at the bottom. You will be landing on the page where you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. At the bottom, you can see different types of account from where you can create Weverse account. Let me choose Google account for now. Click on it. Tap on Continue. Select the specific Google account from where you want to create Weverse account. Once you have selected, tap on Continue. Now what you want to do is tap on this check mark and then click on Next and then click on OK. Tap on OK at the bottom and then tap on Allow. Click on Alert Settings. Tap on OK. Now choose your favorite artist from here. You can choose from solo, group, or whatever you want to. Once you're done selecting the artist, tap on Join. And there you go, your Weverse account has been created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.